Let's give it a shot. You see, Mac and I am back for another video. Today I'm actually going to be customizing a hat. I just got this hat from Walmart. It was $5.97, but we are going to actually customize it and make it a little bit cooler than a $5.97 hat. So this is what I got a big ass shit. Okay, so this is what the black hat is looking like now, and then we're going to customize it. The way we're going to customize it is actually putting some cool little jean stuff over it. What am I going to do is actually stuff something in there so it stays like a nice round shape. And then what I have is a couple pair of jeans that I will be putting together and kind of placing around the hat. I'm kind of just cut out some fabric and start placing it kind of where I want on the hat. Once I cut those jeans out, I literally just took my hot glue gun and used my hot glue gun to glue all of the jean pieces down. Alright, y'all, so this is what the hat is looking like. This is actually pretty fire. Let me know if I should go in and distress it. I was thinking I wanted to go in and distress some of the pieces, but I didn't want to ruin it. Let me know. Did I already ruin it? Did I not? What do you guys think? This is the pocket, by the way. This is a full pocket with the inside strap. Let me know if I did good. Let me know if you don't like it. Let me know if I should add something, take away something. Let me know right now down in the comment section. But this is basically how I can do a jean hat, or how I did the jean hat. This is what it's looking like. I already got an outfit with this already, y'all, and I can't wait to put it on. This is so dope. I don't care. I don't care. Make sure you guys drop that like, comment, subscribe. As always, stay positive. You know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.